A compiler is a computer program that transforms source code written in a programming language into another computer language. The most common reason for wanting to transform source code is to create an executable program to be able to run the tasks you have put into your source code. This compiler is called CodeBlocks. It is a free compiler that you can get online, and there are many tutorials about it. Before we begin learning this language called C++, make sure this is what you want to get into. Because if you don't, make sure you will eventually get bored and quit. Now let's begin. First press File, then New Project, and then a window that looks similar to this should open up onto your screen. This window contains all the things you can create in CodeBlocks, but we will get there someday. Now there should be something that is called Console Application. If you see it, then click on it and press Go. If not, then you must look through the window. Now you will be prompted with this window, which asks you to select either C or C++. Of course, select C+, and then press Next. The next window asks for the name of your new console project and the destination folder you want it created in. Finally, leave the final window the same and press Finish. Now you have just created your first C++ file in CodeBlocks, and this will be used the exact same way every time you want to create a new project. Now you may notice that when we pressed Finish, we also created these things on the left side of our CodeBlocks window. These are our project's components, which include the source code of our project. You can access your project's source code by double-clicking on the Sources folder. Now double-click on your source code, which is currently called main.cpp. Now let us talk about this file. This is our source code, and the .cpp extension stands for .c++. This is where all our main coding will take place and is the center of our attention. All the most important functions of our program or game will be built and managed in this file. Now you may notice that there is already code in our source code, but we have not put it there. So what does this code mean? Well, we will get to that soon, but for now just remove all that code. This was just the introduction and creation of our first C++ project in our compiler. I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you out a bit. In the next video we will begin writing our first code and hopefully making it clear to you, the viewer, on how to write code in C++. Thanks for watching, and please leave me a comment if you have any questions regarding this video.